How to fix session expired error on Instagram. Let's get started. First things first, one of the quickest ways to fix the session expired error is by logging out and logging back in. This refreshes your session and often resolves the issue right away. To do this, launch your Instagram, navigate to the settings and activity page, scroll all the way down, click on logout, again click on logout. Once you log out of your account, log in back. An outdated app can often be the root cause of issues like this, so make sure your Instagram app is up to date. For that, launch your app store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you see the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. If you're still facing the error, it could be due to a security issue, especially if Instagram has detected suspicious activity on your account. To fix this, try resetting your password. Head towards the login page, click on Forget Password, and try to reset your password. Still getting the issue? You can completely delete Instagram app from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the Instagram app. Click on Remove app. Click on Delete app. Click on Delete. Once you delete this app, close this. Launch your app store, search for the app Instagram, and then download it. Another possible cause for session expired error is a weak or unstable internet connection. Launch your settings, navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, whether it's logging out, clearing your cache, or even resetting your password, you can fix the session expired error on Instagram and get back to enjoying your feed without those annoying interruptions. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.